Along the way, strangers become friends. This brotherhood of ours never ends. We play life's hand like a poker run. Sacrifice your time for the fallen one. If you don't ride, then you don't know where I've been and where I go. It's all about the freedom of the open road. It doesn't matter if you're young or old, running with the pack or rolling on your road. It's all about the freedom of the open road. Grab your handles, let's roll.
Your soul, whenever you reach the end of a dusty road, remember what a wise man told. Man, you're standing down a crossroad. You were always on your own. Sometimes you're running out of water, out of whiskey, out of park. Sometimes you're flying high, it feels like you can kiss the sky. Another day you're losing all you got. And sometimes you take the road to heaven, and you never see an angel flying low. Sometimes you take the road on straight down the hill, where the devil is dealing with your soul. Whenever you reach the end of a dusty road, remember what a wise man told. Man, you're standing down the crossroads. Always on your own. Sometimes you take the road. Sometimes you take the road to heaven, and you never see an angel flying low. Sometimes you take the road on straight down to hell, where the devil is dealing with your soul. Whenever you reach the end of a dusty road, remember what a wise man told. Man, you stand down the crossroad. You were always on your own. Sometimes you take the road to heaven, and you never see an angel flying low. Sometimes you take the road on straight down to hell, where the devil is dealing with your soul. Whenever you reach the end of a dusty road, remember what a wise man told. Sometimes you take the